Hey there, business owners. Today, I'm diving into the secret sauce for long-term success, a compelling company vision. In the whirlwind of daily operations and short-term goals, it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. But having a clear vision is crucial. Let's break it down. A company vision is more than a financial target. It's about defining a purpose that transcends profit. Think Patagonia's vision. We're in business to save our home planet. It's inspiring, right? A well-defined vision provides a long-term perspective, steering your company towards future goals. Take Tesla, for example. Their vision to drive the world's transition to electric vehicles guides everything they do. Now let's talk about passion and aspiration. A vision often stems from the founder's dreams and ambitions. Look at Apple's vision. Create the best products on Earth and leave the world better than we found it. This passion fuels innovation and attracts like-minded customers. Why is a vision so crucial? First, it unifies your team around common goals. When everyone's on the same page, teamwork and motivation flourish. Employees find meaning and satisfaction in their roles, knowing they're part of something bigger. Second, a compelling vision inspires. It boosts motivation, energy, and enthusiasm. Even during tough times, a strong vision provides direction and resilience. Lastly, it sharpens strategic focus. A vision frames goal setting and planning, ensuring that every decision aligns with your long-term aspirations. So, how do you craft an effective vision? Be clear and concise. Use simple language, be specific, define clear objectives, and most importantly, be ambitious. Set bold, inspiring goals, avoid vagueness, regularly communicate your vision, ensure alignment between your vision and daily operations. Remember, a clear and compelling vision isn't just a fancy statement, it's the foundation for your business's growth and success. Reflect on your current vision, refine it, and communicate it effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one.